Kevin Delaney here, and I just received a little package by UPS from StickerMule. StickerMule is an online resource for creating really all kinds of stickers, labels, bumper stickers, all kinds of great stuff. And I want to show you what my stuff looks like. So I just received this package. I received the, I believe, 2-inch diameter. Yeah, that's what these are. The 2-inch diameter, where are you there? There you are. Stickers. There you go. They look really cool. I'm going to just open them up out of the cellophane here. Now I have a link attached to this video. If you want to get something like this, you can get $10 off your first order, which is a pretty nice deal, if you go through my link. So go through my link and you will get $10 off. Yeah, these are really cool. So these are the 2-inch. These are the 2-inch labels. Very nice printing. Yeah, and it's an adhesive back. You just peel that off, I guess, and then stick it on something. So there you go. StickerMule, your source for all things sticker related. Check it out.